containing fiberglass resin. So far it looks like shit. I'm going to cover it up enough so I can sand it when it dries. Z-back wall. Got it coated, well, coated with resin, top and bottom, sanded down. Now I'm going to coat it with Raptor liner, make it tough. That's the back wall. Mounted in. That hole sucks. And that hole sucks. So I've got to fix those. Sunk at a 15-degree angle with my little rig. I screw it in, pull this out of the way, put the bit underneath, and drill it almost too deep. I really need to shorten that up. And that's the depth I need. July 4th. I don't even know when I started working on this. I got a bunch of videos. I'm sorry for the quality, but Monday my Hero 7 Black will be in with a mic, with a setup, and it'll be better. It will shoot in a better level, and it'll hear my fans better. So you guys can bitch about that. Alright, bye.